Hello, student. Today we start with uh, the next topic, that is the overview of operation research. The activity operation research, that is abbreviated as OR, is important to handle problems in business and industry. So it is become increasingly important in the fact of in the face of fast moving technology and increasing complexity in business and industry. So, here we try to discuss the historical development of operation research and which provides an overall view of the subject. So, what we try to discuss in this subject, so its historical perspective, we will try to discuss the various points that comes under the subject operation research. So, what are the different general ideas that comes under this particular subject operation research that we will try to discuss? So, first, origin and development of operation research under this one. So, we will try to discuss the concepts related to this one in a historical point of view. No science has ever been born on a specific day. So it has definitely historical development need to be there. Operation research is no exception. Its roots are as old as science and society. Though the roots of operation research extend to every even early in 1800. It was in 1917 uh, when A.K. Erlang published his work. So he is a Danish mathematician on the problem of congestion of telephone traffic. So here the difficulty was that during busy periods, telephone operators were unable to handle the call in a moment they were made, resulting in delay calls. So British, a few years after its appearance, his work was accepted by the British Post Office on the basis of calculating circuit facilities. During 1930s, S.C. Levinson applied scientific analysis to the problems of mercantile during 1930. His work actually includes Levinson's work include scientific study of customer buying habits. So, n number of customers are visiting to the bazaar and how they purchase the item, which item they preferably select, and what is their buying habits. That should be in a scientific point of view. That should be studied by the Levinson. Second, response of advertising. Yes, once we can publish the advertise, how public can give response to that particular advertise in a different context. And third one is relation environment to the type of article sold. A particular article sold in what way that article is to be sold is to be that comes that he had done, that is Levinson do the study of this particular point, operation research in this particular point. So in 1940, the term operation research was first coined by McCloskey and Trepton. Then research on military operations during World War II. This new science came into existence as a result of research on military operations during the World War II. During the war, there were strategic and tactical problems which were greatly complicated. To expect adequate solutions from individuals or specialists was unrealistic. So it is not possible easily to get the strategic and tactical solution for various problems that are come in a military. Therefore, the military management called a meeting of scientists from various disciplines for proper solution, because there are a number of problems that military peoples are facing. So how we can try to solve these problems, and for solving these problems, a number of scientists from various disciplines are come together to try to find out the solution, proper solution for this one. So basic intention is that to discuss what is the problem and evolve. Second is suggest different ways so that we get the solution. So a number of alternative ways by which we will try to solve the problems related to military. But while solving these problems, a number of solutions are available, alternative solutions are available, out of which solution is optimum that it is required to select. And last means to improve the execution of various military projects. So n number of military projects are there. While implementing these projects, these people are facing strategic and tactical problems. To solve these problems, so the military management called the meeting of scientists from various disciplines to find out the solution for proper solution. So in this one, they discuss, evolve, and different give the different suggest the different ways, and the intention is to improve the execution of various military projects. Yes. After the meeting is over, they suggested certain approaches. So what they are suggested, this new approach to systematic and scientific study of operation of the system was called as the operation research. So how this particular subject, operation research, came into existence. See, so military people are solving their problems. For that, they call the meeting, and in this meeting, the scientists from different disciplines they give the systematic and scientific way to solve the problem or the operations of the system, that is called as the operation research. Is it? Next, seeking solution to complex executive type problems. Same problem in different context. That is the n number of approach, that is problems are there, and how you can face that problem. What are the different ways to solve that problem? Out of this, which one is optimum? That means optimum means that for solving such a problem that require minimum cost and minimum time, but it gives maximum profit. So this is the optimization. So same problem in different context means the same problem here we are taking into consideration that is the military problem. The same problem may arise in a management. The same problem may arise in a purchase. Same problems may arise in handling different institutes. So applications are in a different context. So operation research activities were diverted from military to civil government and industries. So see the scope of this particular subject. It is not only related to military, but also in a number of other fields where this subject is too much useful. Demand of operation research is more in solving management problem in US and UK. See the scope where they try to use this scientific study, that is the systematic and scientific study of the operation, that is called as the operation research, and how this operation research concepts are useful to solve the n number of problems related to management and in the country first used in USA and UK. So see the development of operation research and digital computers. Increases importance of operation research for the students of the management. So where these operation research concepts are useful in the field of management. So first public administration, third behavioral sciences, engineering, mathematics, economic and commerce. So what is the impact of operation research? Here, the number and variety of applications of the this particular subject, operation research. Second, operation research used in business and industry. Operation research used in determining their tactical and strategical decisions more significantly in following industries. That is, first is aircraft and missile. Second is the automobile. Next, communication, computer, electronics, mining, paper, petroleum and transportation, financial institutions, government agencies and hospitals. So see where this operation research is useful. In India, this operation research came into existence in 1949. Defense Science Laboratory, where at the first it is preferably used the concept of operation research to solve the problems related to, that is the military defense science laboratory. So which is to be held at Hyderabad. At the same time, another group was set up in the Defense Science Laboratory, which devoted itself to the problems of stores, then purchase and planning. In 1953, OR unit was established in the Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta, for the application of OR methods in national planning and survey. OR Society of India was formed in 1957. It became a member of International Federation of Operation Research Societies in 1959. Professor Mahalanobis made first important application of this particular subject. Toward the application of OR in India, Professor Mahalanobis made the first important application. He formulated the second 5-year plan with the help of operation research technique to forecast the trends of demand, availability of resources, and for scheduling the complex themes necessary for developing our country's economy. So see, so this is the point that we are covered in the introduction part. We stop here.